Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable your My AI on Snapchat. So if you guys are wondering how to disable the My AI application or this feature on the Snapchat application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to change and remove this step by step. So what we need to do first is to go on over and basically launch the Snapchat application. And once we're here, let's tap on the chat box, and over here onto the My AI, let's try and tap and hold to the chat of the My AI. Now let's tap on chat settings, and I want you to go ahead and basically proceed with tapping on the clear from chat feed if it is available. Now basically on each and every account there is going to be different options or methods in order for us to remove this. So in this case I don't really have the clear from chat feed option right here. So what we can also do is to go ahead and basically enable the, let's say, Snapchat Plus application. Now what the Snapchat Plus subscription also does on our accounts is basically it's going to give us more features. So one of the features as well that comes with the Snapchat Plus is the ability for us to disable the My AI. So you can actually go ahead and proceed with doing that, and basically availing the Snapchat Plus membership is also a way for you to have the feature to unpin or remove the My AI. So go ahead and subscribe to the Snapchat Pluses if you are interested in removing the My AI altogether. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.